So, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Was a little bit of an idiot the other day, so we went out and done a lap after the winter revision on the M4, which we're currently in now. And I didn't wear a lapel mic, so when I tried to do my intro, you could literally hear nothing. It was just muffled nothingness. So, yeah, so we're out today. Now the weather's a little bit better. To give you guys basically what I was saying at the beginning of the video that you're about to see, the lap you're about to see. So yeah, we took the M4 out after its winter revision. New pads and discs, just to see what compound we're going to try and run. There was the new diff lift kit, which you've probably seen in Misha's video. A few little things that we wanted to test, the kinematics, the ride height, because we had some problems with it touching the arches and the ride height was a little bit off. So yeah, little video just to see how the car was performing. Robert joined us on the lap in the GT2. So he was out in front of me and we were just having more of a chilled lap. We wasn't pushing too hard, we were just kind of seeing how the car was feeling and stuff. So yeah, it came to that. For the ending of the video, I won't do another video, I'll just do it all now. I was basically explaining how the car felt. So with the new pads, we changed to a different disc. We was running an APP disc, which for some reason with the PFC pad just didn't feel right. So we changed over to the RSL 29 just to check it. Done another brake bleed, got it feeling pretty normal. We will go over to the endless pad in this eventually, but we're just using up some of our old stock for now. So luckily we still had some RSL 29s laying around, some new ones. So yeah, we tried them and it felt pretty good, to be honest. They're what's in the car now. So yeah, there was that. The diff lift kit made a massive difference. You can hear the diff whining through the car. You'll hear this on the video for sure. I think a lot of people comment on Misha's video saying about the diff whine was quite something. So you'll hear that. It feels a lot better under shifting. So when you're really on the gas and you're shifting, you can feel that there's no, like, what's the word? You can't feel the diff moving on the rubber bushes, obviously, because they're solid. So, which is cool. The ride height differences, we changed a little bit we changed the JRZ rear shocks. Again, as you've seen on Misha's video, we changed the JRZ shocks. So we can have a little bit more clearance in the arches, which has helped. So yeah, it was a pretty chilled lap, like I say. Everything feels nice on this car now. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video. There's going to be a few more of these videos to come. Let me know in the comments if you would like a video, if anything in particular. So it's mostly going to be videos of testing the cars when there's problems, to show you how to look for a problem. There's going to be a few videos of like fixes as well. So it should be basically everything Misha doesn't cover, I'll be covering here. All the repairs and stuff, I think Misha's just going to cover on his channel like normal, like he always does. So yeah, we're going to go with that and then see how things go. But yeah, like and subscribe, the usual YouTuber subscribe button, all that crap. So yeah, do a thing and hope you enjoy the videos. Cool.